In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate variance in Excel. We're going to keep this simple and practical, so by the end of this quick walkthrough, you'll know exactly which formula to use and how to enter it correctly. Variance is a statistical measure that shows how spread out your data is. In Excel, calculating it is very straightforward once your values are in place. First, open your Excel file. Make sure you're on the worksheet that contains the data you want to analyze. If your values are not entered yet, go ahead and type them into a column or row so they're easy to select. Keeping your data organized in a single continuous range will make the formula easier to apply and reduce the chance of selecting the wrong cells. Once your data is ready, click on an empty cell where you want the variance result to appear. This is the cell where Excel will display the final calculation, so choose a location that is easy to find later, especially if you're building a larger spreadsheet or report. Now type the correct variance formula based on the kind of data you have. If your data is only a sample taken from a larger population, type equals VAR.S, then open a parenthesis. After that, click on the first cell in your data range and drag down until you reach the last cell in the range. Then close the parenthesis. This tells Excel to calculate the sample variance for the selected values. If your data represents the entire population, use equals VAR.P instead. Then open a parenthesis, click the first cell containing your data, drag down to the last cell, and close the parenthesis. This version is used when your dataset includes every value in the full group you want to measure. A helpful tip here is to make sure you choose the formula carefully. VAR.S and VAR.P are similar, but they are not interchangeable. Using the wrong one can give you a different result. So it's important to know whether you're working with a sample or a full population before you calculate. After you finish typing the formula, press enter. Excel will instantly return the variance in the cell you selected. And that's it. You've successfully calculated variance in Excel. As long as your data is entered correctly and you choose the right formula for your data set, Excel does the rest for you quickly and accurately.